I'm on a mission to make a YouTube video for my wife that explains how Bluey became the most popular kids show for adults. The problem is, my wife is going to an event with her friends tonight. What time are you going?
Like 5.
Okay, so I only have a few hours and I have a meeting at 11 before I have to make this video and show it to her to help her understand the answer to this question, which is why and how Bluey became so popular. So here we go. So despite my meeting at 11, I was able to find time to sit down and dig into the question, what makes Bluey so popular even among adults? In order to answer this question, we need to go back and understand, why does my wife care about this? In my house, we have 3 kids and we watch a lot of Bluey. We also have other friends with kids who watch a lot of Bluey. And if this is the first time you're hearing about what Bluey is, let me break it down for you. Bluey is a high-energy 6-year-old puppy who gets into trouble with her sister Bingo. The show also features her parents and family and friends, all dealing with different aspects of their lives, good and bad.
Daddy, stop!
The show covers all sorts of interesting topics. Some are heavy, some are light, some are fun, some are sad. But it's a great show about life. The show covers death, hospitals, infertility, childhood, sleeping, dreaming, military service, work trips, and more. Bluey appeals to people of all ages. It's incredibly relatable, and it shows the world through a positive lens. For kids, it's a show about 2 little dogs that like to play and imagine and have fun with their friends. For parents, it's a show about parenting 2 crazy kids and all the ups and downs that come with it. It also doesn't hide from messy cars, messy rooms, and being a tired parent who just doesn't have any energy. It's something we can all relate to. Even teenagers can find value in it because it shows you how to manage your emotions, and it shows you an example of a strong and happy family. So my theory as to why Bluey is so popular is that it's a show that shows life as it is, but with an optimistic take. Now I'm going to tell you how Bluey got so popular, even among adults. Maybe because of adults. I approach everything with kind of this marketing lens. It's the curse of living in the marketing world. Everything is marketing. So one of the questions that I asked are, what are the marketing forces that are at play here, and what makes it so popular? One of the big takeaways is that the content is valuable to viewers.
Well, that's more like it. Bingo! For the last time, use a knife and chicken!
It appeals to way more than just kids. Just like we talked about, it appeals to parents, kids, teenagers, the whole family. The show is good, it's fun to watch, the animation is great, the messages are good, the value of the content is high. High value content is something that I want to watch and rewatch. As a parent, I'm always looking for a show that I can show my kids. Parenting is hard and takes a lot of time and energy. Occasionally it's nice to be able to put them in front of the TV and let everybody calm down. But I want to make sure that what they're watching is trustworthy and good. When you have content like Bluey, or Mark Rober, or Dude Perfect, this is really great content that's trustworthy, and I'm fine letting my kids watch it with or without me because I trust it'll be safe. And so it's a show that we come back to often because we trust it and we like it. One of the other really strong factors that I think contributed to Bluey's growth and popularity is the virality of it. It has had an incredible effect on social media. There are memes, TikToks, YouTube videos, all sorts of content that surrounds Bluey, and it's everywhere. They had a huge viral presence. Some fans even dive into fan theories or fan fiction about the show, or how some of the characters are the way they are. There are even clips of psychologists and other industry professionals watching the show and breaking it down, highlighting the good, the bad, the real. It's really interesting. The Bluey team has done a great job creating content that you can engage your kids with that isn't just the show. There are activity books, games, there's a website full of their characters and all their bios, so you can engage with these characters a lot. So what's the answer? How has Bluey become the most popular kids show for adults? In my estimation, it all stems from this high engagement that the show drives with its fans. Not just the kids, but the parents too. The show has created content that is so impactful and so valuable that fans want to re-engage with it as often as they can, through social media, through videos, through merch, whatever it may be.
It's on the app!
I think these are the tricks, these are the secrets to how Bluey has made it so big and so popular. It's high quality content that makes you want to re-engage and tell your friends. It's a t-shirt that you're happy to wear, it's a hat that you want to wear, it's a bumper sticker you want to put on your car. You want people to know that you are like Bluey, because Bluey is something worth aspiring to. We all want to be the idealized version. We all want to be the Bandit or the Chili of Bluey. They're not perfect, but they're doing a pretty good job. I want to be a better dad because of the way I see they behave with their kids. The only question left to answer is, does this answer the question for my wife?
6.5 hours later.
Oh hey, Present Dan here. I just finished filming all that and recording the explanations of why Bluey is what it is, and it is almost 3 o'clock. So I have 2 hours to compile all this footage, try to make it intelligible, and then show my wife.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting, and they had to hire a new one.
Yeah, you're watching the video. I mean, you're just reacting to it. You don't... Nothing special. This will explain a little bit of what I'm trying to do, but I'm just trying to get your reaction. So by the end of it, you should know what you need to do next.
Okay.
So go ahead and hit play.
Okay.
Did I answer the question for you?
Yeah.
Does it make sense as to why Bluey is so popular among kids?
Yeah.
This is the resolution of the story. Did I answer the question?
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
I liked it. It was good. I was tearing up a couple times. Just, I don't know, just sweet. Bluey is a sweet show. It's, I don't know, it's heartwarming. It's endearing.
And with that, I can finally rest knowing that I had made a YouTube video for my wife that answered the question, how Bluey became the most popular kids show for adults. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more. If you didn't, that's not great. I'll do a better one next time.